What is going on, guys? Pog here and welcome to today's unboxing video. In this video I'm going to go ahead and unbox the PlayStation 4 Pro, the 1TB Spider-Man limited edition. So pretty much what I was looking for, you guys, is actually the 500 million PlayStation 4 limited edition, but I couldn't find it whatsoever. I went like almost everywhere, like I drove so much trying to find it, and yeah, that thing is gone. So I'm now trying to see if I can possibly get it off of, like, obviously paying a lot more than what it initially costed. Hopefully I can get that PS4 Pro 500 million limited edition, because I think that's like one of the coolest PS4 Pros ever. But now that out of the way, while I was looking for the 500 millionth edition PS4 Pro, I saw this and I thought that I should definitely give it a shot to see it, because I think this is one of the coolest consoles as well. I've never really played the Spider-Man game, but I watched the Spider-Man movies and stuff, so I really like Spider-Man at the end of the day. So we've got the PS4 Pro. As you can see, it's a limited edition, so it does have a very nice red, I guess, limited edition look to it. So it's like special edition, dedicated for the Spider-Man. So we've got the console over here, and then the controller over here. Includes deluxe edition digital content, which is pretty nice. So it actually comes with the deluxe edition. This one here is the CUH7115B model, and the color is amazing red. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take a look here. So this is the side of the box. As you guys can see, limited edition there, Marvel Spider-Man. Pretty cool. Over here, it pretty much says exactly what's included in the box. So we got PlayStation 4 Pro console, in brackets CUH-7115B, bracket closing. So it's pretty much saying what's the model number here. Then if we've got here Dualshock 4 wireless controller, again, it's nicely for the Spider-Man. Spider-Man Blu-ray disc, deluxe edition digital content, expires September 7th, 2021. Mono headset, HDMI cable, AC power cord, the USB cable, and printed materials. So there's what it pretty much says over there. Now if we look over here to the top of the box, as you guys can see, again, limited edition. Let me turn this here so you guys can actually see better. But again, we've got the model number as well as amazing red there. 1 terabyte again. So in the back of the box, as you guys can see, we got the, I guess, part of the video game here of the Spider-Man. Again, I haven't played it. Rated teen here, so that's pretty cool. And I think that's pretty much it. And then the other side of the box just shows 1 terabyte. Of course, it doesn't say the contents that are included on the other side as well. So anyways, here we got it, you guys. So let's go ahead and open it up. So pretty much gonna cut that seal open like so, and I'm expecting that we're gonna have a box inside of a box. So let's see. Yep, all right, so we open that up, and then now we got the actual way the PS4 comes in. So there we go. Now, to be quite honest with you guys, this box here looks very nice and sharp, so I'm probably gonna be keeping this cover here. So like, obviously this is the cover, but this is probably one of the coolest PlayStation 4 Pro boxes. So yeah, let's go ahead and put that away. Now here we got the PS4 Pro. Let's go ahead and open it. Very nice. Now opening all this up, as you guys can see, first things we got is our quick start guide. I guess I usually don't even open these, but I guess for this one, let's open it up. If I can even do it. All right. So quick start guide, as you guys can see here, pretty much shows us how to set up the PS4 Pro and whatnot. There we go. Also says about the PlayStation Network. Now opening up this side of the box, we can see the PS4 Pro right over here, which actually looks pretty cool. Let's actually pull this out. and this should have, I'm assuming, the cables and stuff in it. So here we have it. So we got the power cable right over here. This one here is the micro USB to go ahead and charge the controller. And if I go ahead and open this up, as you guys can see, we got the controller. So let's put that away for a second. And then I guess I could just let the cables kind of fall out here. All right, nothing else here. Now we got the HDMI cable right over here, which is pretty cool. As well as we have the chat earbud, I guess. Now here we have the controller. As you guys can see, wow, this actually looks very nice. So I know there's like the red controller. I feel like this color is a bit darker red. I don't know if I'm 100%, let me know guys in the comments below. But I believe the other red one does have like black buttons here instead of the white ones. Now, if I press this, we do have the very nice LED light there, as you can see, of course, over here as well. Also, the triggers are as well in this light gray, I guess. It's more like a white one, but yeah. So overall, I really like the way this controller looks. So we got the headphone or chat input, or technically output, I guess. Input and output, whatever. Micro USB to charge, as well as we have the speaker there. But yeah, guys, this is pretty nice. Now I'm gonna put all this away. And the last thing we have left is the PS4 Pro itself. Nothing else. Oh, never mind. I forgot about that. So we've got the Spider-Man here, as you can see. Pretty cool. So it does come with a disc. Limited warranty. We have a code under there, says save 20% on the latest games and more, as well as the PlayStation Plus and PlayStation Network, which is pretty awesome. PlayStation Now. I thought I should actually go ahead and open this disc up here to see what the kind of the codes look like, I guess. So there you go. We got the disc right over here, as well as, I'm guessing behind here is the deluxe edition codes. The City That Never Sleeps, 3 post-launch story chapters. Also includes Spider Suit Pack, Spider Drone Gadget, 5 extra skill points, Spider-Man PSN Avatar, that's pretty cool, Spider-Man PS4 theme. Wow, that's also pretty cool. So yeah, you pretty much get that with this awesome console. So that's what it looks like. I thought I should have shown you guys what's inside the disc as well while we're at it. So I'm gonna throw this box away. And now we got the PS4 Pro, you guys. And I think this already looks very cool. So here we have it. Let's go ahead. Whoa. So we actually have a nice glossy finish, guys. Look at this right here. This is very cool. We got this very nice dark red. It's like gloss top over here, which is very nice, to be honest. Now, I don't get why the Spider-Man is like, you know, the spider is like that way. I guess it's because maybe they intended to have it stand like this, just like on the box. But when you have it like that, I guess it still looks pretty cool. Let me know, guys, what do you think about that? So over here we got the PlayStation logo right there. Of course, the Spider-Man, you can actually feel this. It's kind of like, I guess kind of edged, or is it the texture that I'm feeling? So obviously this one here is like a sticky texture, and then this one's like, I guess more of a matte. You can kind of really, you can feel the entire part here, the spider. It's actually very cool. Now if we look from here, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's actually difference. So you can kind of see a difference in color, I guess, in red, because this one here is the matte part, and then we got this shiny part over here. 2 USB ports right over there, and then we have our eject power button. PS4 right there, Sony. Here's the side. in the back, we got our power port, as well as the HDMI, PlayStation camera. We also have optical USB as well, Ethernet. And over here we do have the actually it shows like the PlayStation triangles and stuff, which is pretty cool. And this is where you mount the stand. Now under, as you guys can see, it does have the PlayStation triangle, X, circle, and square, as well PlayStation logo here. So this, I guess, stops the vibrations and stuff. But yeah, guys, I mean, this is actually one of the coolest PlayStation 4 Pros so far. I mean, I'm still gonna try to get the 500 millionth limited edition. Hopefully I can get it. But this one here is also very nice. If you guys can see this in the store and you want a PS4 Pro, I think this one here looks very nice. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.